Now we're going to talk about the post super variable. So in our previous example, we were looking at the get. Now let's try looking at the post. So now I will simply just gonna change this get from post, and all these gets will be changed into post. Save it, come back, refresh, and let's submit for us the pass ABC. And now when I submit it, you can see there is nothing added whatsoever in the URL. So all the data is been securely sent through the post request. So the difference between get and posted: get request submit through the URL. All the parameters will be appended to the URL, but in the post, all the data will be securely go through the post method, which is secure and not visible to user until you show them. As we are displaying them here, we are showing here. So all the registration, all the adding of the information, user submission, anything goes through the post method. The registration, the login, a cart, checkout, payment entry, everything goes through the post method. So post is exactly you are posting something onto the website. You are sending something to the website securely, properly, without letting the world know what's going on. Because if you submit through the get variable, the world will able to see the URL. The world means the people that sitting with you or in front of you. That's what I mean by world. So this is the post method, and you use it to send the request to the server, and then server capture the post values and then process it to store the data, display the data, calculate it whatsoever, checkout and everything. So this is the post, and that's about it. One more thing to do here. As in previous video, I told you how we were gonna submit the form in the different file. So I will gonna demonstrate that now. Let's create a new file, or simply just copy this and rename it to new. Open this file and simply remove the form from here. Save this file, come back here, remove this from here, and we can simply do two things. Here we can simply do new.php, and we add the dot means it is in the directory file or one directory before this if you are using a multiple directories. So once this is done, we can remove from here, save this file, and if we submit now same data, you can see our data is here, but our file name got changed because this test.php redirected this form to our new.php. If it is submitted, I'll say echo submit the data, save it. If I refresh here again, and you can see because there is no data submitted, it is saying submit the data. If I go back, submit now, there you go. This is the way to submit the form to the new file. So hopefully I have explained everything regarding the post method, which is pretty much straightforward and simple. I will gonna see you in next video. Take care for now. Bye bye.